Incriminator Warren, I think it is. Was it? No, Warden, sorry. The guy got it so hot. This is aluminum oxide. Okay, try not to breathe that, give you Alzheimer's. 3-inch pole. Actually, I should probably check this with a chisel to see if it's going to come off, because I'm sure it's just glued on there. 8 layer. This was as a 21. I think the only thing we did was put it on spacers. What I'll do is I'll put it on double spacers, so it'll be spaced up 20 millimeter from the base. This motor has the bolt hole circle that I think we need, which is 160 millimeter, and then 127. It's cute. I mean, you know, this is for venting. It's nothing special. It's heavy. It's very expensive as well. Oh, it's got pole. Oh, I see. They ventilated the pole crosswise and then put this in the back. So, and then it looks like there's some whatever to give the steel more surface area. I don't know why they didn't do the sides too, like Juggernaut, like Matt's did. So this one's all cleaned up, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and use the 1-inch spider spacer that you get from Lord of Bass. What I do is I put a bead of CA down, then I put the spider spacer on there with some weight, and then you let that sit overnight. And it's not that that's what bonds it, it just holds it in place until we can get the bolts in that hold it in place. So this one, we had the bolts previously, you can see there. And if you do it just right, you can actually put, I use number 6 hardware, number 6 by 32. You can actually put the lock nut on here, and the flat side goes towards the on the frame, and it actually holds it in place. It's kind of a cool coinkydink, as they say. I think I have the cone for this. And then of course you got to get that Lord of Bass. It's got the red stitch, which I don't like, but you know, whatever. That we're putting on this. I think I have the 8 layer already. Yeah, so he wants 1 ohm final load. But I just wanted to show this to you guys. Incriminator. Again, there's nothing special about Incriminator. Nick does good work, good job. But I think it's really expensive, what the retail price is on it, and for the performance, you know, whatever. There's other brands out there. There's other, you know, hot dogs. There's other hot dog stands you can be sucking on. Does that make sense? All right. Love you guys. Have a good weekend.